Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my November Boxycharm. That's right, Boxycharm makes it feel like Christmas once a month, where I get 5 full-size products in my box and I get to play with makeup. I actually love Boxycharm. I've had some bad boxes in the past, I've had some good boxes, and I took a little sneak peek in this one and it's going to be a good one. Before you continue watching, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment down below whatever you'd like. Hit the thumbs down if you don't like it. Anything is fine. It's all engagement. Leave me some engagement down below. But without further ado, let's do my Boxycharm. Push my hair back because the first thing we have in the box is this Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Red Algae Plant Stem Serum. Let's check the card. Named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, it's an almighty ambrosia with ultra restorative plant stem cells, restores, brightens, smooths fine lines, wrinkles. $48. I mean, it is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful packaging. So let's try it on. Let's get this on my face. No scent. Just want to feel the texture first. It is oily. I don't want too much. Very little. Let's rub that in. I hope this can go under makeup. It does have a scent now that I'm rubbing it in, and it smells just like sunblock. Like just like sunblock from when I was a kid. That's crazy. It's such a distinct sunblock smell. Sorry, I got a text. I do have dry skin, so my skin's gonna just drink this right up. It does feel really good on my skin. It's not completely sunken in yet, and it does leave my fingers feeling a little greasy, so I'm hoping that my skin just kind of drinks it up and I can apply foundation. The next thing in this box is this Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. Let's check the card, and it says, infused with good-for-you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that penetrates your lips. $17. Oh, it's like a little tubey. Oh, she's thick. Lots of skincare in this box. This feels really fantastic on my lips. Wow. It does kind of have a rose scent to it. Very light, but it's definitely there. It feels amazing on my lips. Wow. I like that. On a first impression, this feels so good. Next, we have this Primero Primer. It's by Almar Cosmetics, and it says a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place. Mix your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. Oh, that's interesting. It says it has shea butter for skin conditioning, moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Wow. Let's get this on my eye because we have an eyeshadow palette to use. I'm just going to use my finger. Okay, it already has like a color to it. I should use this hand. I am right-handed. Let's see. Oh, it's sticky as I'm putting it on. Like, it's freaking me out a little bit. Let me use a brush. It is super, super tacky. That's so crazy. It literally does feel like glue on my eye. But in a, like, not a bad way, like it doesn't stick like glue, but it's gonna stick those eyeshadows down. Definitely prefer how it applied with my brush better than my finger, but it is so tacky. Wow. Well, we have something to try it out with because the next thing in the palette is this Natasha Denona 5-pan eyeshadow palette. Look at this bad boy. It is so beautiful. This Natasha Denona palette is called, let's see. It's the Peak palette, and it says it's featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone pigments. Oh, composed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palette. Well, let's get started. I do have a couple Natasha Denona palettes. I have a purple mini, and I have the bronze large palette. So I do know that I like this formula. This shade right here is calling my name. Let's try that out. Ooh. Stunning. I mean, Natasha, girl. All right, that one's a little weak. And let's see this shimmer. absolutely stunning. So I am going to get these on my eyes. I'll do a little speed up montage for you guys, and let's get going. When I tell you that this is absolutely stunning, like, I mean that. This is so freaking beautiful. Wow. Wow. I love the way my eyes look. Ugh, I don't know. Let me finish my full face, and I'll be back in just a second to give you my full thoughts on this once I can actually process what just happened. Oh my gosh. My eyes look amazing. Amazing. I love this guy. It is so fun. The pinky, you could just do the whole pinky look and not even do the shimmer, and it would be beautiful. The red, love it. This is stunning. The only one I didn't use was this brown, but this look didn't need it. Like, I just went in on my lower lash line with the pink shade, deepened it with that red, laid the shimmer down, inner corner with the cream shade, and it is stunning. I love this. I would pay for this. Now that nothing is absolutely ever going to top the Natasha Denona palette, let's talk about the last thing in the palette. This Beauty Creations Cali Glow, I believe, highlighter palette. Yes, here it is. It's a 3-pan highlighter palette. These two over here are going to be too dark for me. So we're going to go in with the first shade called Malibu. And let's highlight this face. That's the only thing I don't have on right now, by the way, is highlighter. Oh, it's there. It's pretty. Very subtle. Actually stunning. Not super intense, but I like it. I like that glow. Wow. These two colors are going to be dark for me. This is like an orange. It's maybe gold. Looks orange in the palette. Also beautiful. And this is a nice bronze. I mean, they're stunning. Let's swatch the one I use, the Malibu. They feel a little dry in the pan. All right, the Malibu is the least intense here. I kind of like that, though. Like, it's a subtle glow. Okay, everyone, that's it for this video. I think it goes without saying that I'm in love with this. Like, I love this. This is the hands down the best thing in the palette. Not only is it Natasha Denona, so it's expensive, but it's really good. Like, I really enjoy this look so much. My least favorite thing in the palette is this, only because I can't use 2 out of the 3 shades, and then this one is just a little bit on the dull side. Still beautiful, still got a great highlight out of it, but I'll probably pass this along to my sister who does have a deeper skin complexion, and maybe she can get some use out of these 2 shades. And I don't need any more highlighter palette. It's big, it doesn't really want to fit in a drawer, so pass that along. This I'll have to play around with more. As a standard eyeshadow primer, I do not like it. It was kind of super sticky. As a glitter primer, this is going to do great. So I am happy to have it, but would not recommend for just everyday eyeshadow use, in my opinion. And this is also amazing. This lip balm, it is so soft and moisturizing on your lips. Fluffy in a way, like it feels fluffy. I don't know if you know what I mean when I say that, but that's how that feels. And where is it? This oil treatment, I'll just have to use it and go on, but it did apply perfectly fine underneath my foundation. So it's an okay, I'll have to try it to see how I really feel about it. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you got the same things, comment down below. If you didn't get this, what did you get in its place? Because my God, I'm sorry for you. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.